My name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I'm the founder of Ten Digital Lane. So we're here to teach you more about digital trading. We're here to teach you how the market is going to react, and you can be able to use this information to make money in the market from your home. Okay, so let's dive into it. In 18 minutes time, we have durable goods order X defense month over month, and durable goods order X transport month over month, then durable goods order month over month. So let's read what this durable goods is all about. We'll read what this durable goods is all about. Okay. So the durable goods, new order placed with producers for the supply of durable items. New orders placed with producers for the supply of durable items that are expected to last at least 3 years are referred to as durable goods order in the United States. A higher than expected figure should be seen as positive for the dollar, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as negative for the dollar. So this particular information is going to affect all the dollar-related pairs. So now, over here is durable goods order for X defense month over month, and durable goods order X transport. This has to do with cars, okay? And then this one has to do with new orders placed with manufacturers to deliver of hard goods in the future. For the delivery of hard goods in the future, excluding orders of defense equipment, that's ammunitions and guns, and suppliers are related as durable goods order, excluding defense in the United States, okay? So these are orders for every other product except from ammunitions and guns. And this is new orders placed with manufacturers for delivery of hard goods in the future, excluding orders of transportation like cars. Okay, so what we need to know is that 1.3% over here, you guys can see 1.3% over here is higher than minus 5.4%, which is good for the dollar. 0.1% is lower than 0.5%, which is bad for the dollar. And minus 0.5% is higher than minus 5.2%, which is good for the dollar. So overall, we have two data in dollars favor and one data not in dollars favor. But overall, the dollar pairs has been moving massively. The dollar pairs have been moving massively. To be honest with you guys, I've been monitoring NZD pairs. Why? Is because today on the currency meter, the weakest currency is AUD, and after AUD, the next is NZD. So on the currency meter, the strong currencies for the day is JPY, dollar, GBP, which is Great Britain pound, then Canadian dollar and European units. So I figured out that all these pairs against the New Zealand dollar is giving us a setup. So over here is where buyers buy. This is what they call support. Okay, support. So from here, buyers are coming into the market. The market has already gotten to that support level. And for me, I saw buy setups, but the market has not activated. Okay, so the same thing when you come to NZD card has started moving. You understand? It's already activated, but I did not send this signal and I did not place this trade. NZD card, this is where sellers are. This is resistance level where sellers are. So when sellers came in here, the market went to that entry point and it started selling. If the market comes here, I'll take my profit because this is support level where buyers are. So the support is for buyers, the resistance is for sellers. Support is like a floor for buyers. Resistance is like a ceiling for sellers. So when you hear me say resistance, know that I'm talking about sellers going into the market or a particular point where the price will get to and stop for some time. So support is more like the floor where price will go to and bounce. If you throw a ball on the floor, it will bounce and go up, bounce and go up. Okay, so let's check out dollar pairs. It's only dollar pairs I'm checking out, and before we round up, I'll then show you some crypto crypto pairs I'm monitoring as well. Okay, this is euro against the dollar. Dollar has been strong. Okay, so this morning I saw a setup to buy dollar, to buy euro USD, but it was a fake out. They wanted to fake out some people in the market. So currently the market is inside the support for euro USD. We have been waiting for the market to get to this support for a very, very long time. The market is currently inside support and the market is still going down, which is sellers are still here. Okay, so when we see the markets turn around, we can be expecting buy opportunities because market is currently inside the support level. Over here is the resistance level. So from this point to this point, we can be seeing a lot of movement in the market. This should be about, for beginner traders, I wonder if you understand the language I was saying now, pips. This is about 192 pips, okay? 192 pips, okay? So that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, guys. That's a lot of money. 192 pips. So the next pair on my list for today, let's check out gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold has been selling. The price of gold has been selling and selling very fast and hard. Okay, so where I expect major targets for gold is 18,500. That's where my major target is. You can see since Monday 25th, gold has been selling. The dollar has been strong. There's a lot that's going on in the United States of America with Biden and the rumor about him taking a bribe from foreign nations and so on and so forth. And also with the whole introduction of negative interest rates from the Federal Reserve Bank last week. Sorry, keeping interest rates unchanged because for the past 10 months, they have been increasing interest rates. Then when it comes to last week, they did not increase interest rate at all, okay? So it's quite an improvement for us. It's quite an improvement for the dollar, and dollar has been massively strong, going up. If you're in Nigeria, you should know that dollar is about 1,000 naira per dollar. So currently on gold, let me see if we can find any level whereby we can, no level. But it's currently heading to this support level. There is a support level I marked out here with this line. And when I say support, you know what I mean, a floor where buyers can come in. Okay, but currently, no buy setups yet. I've not seen any buy setups yet, but this is where I expect buyers to come in for the gold, okay? We need to be calm. We need to look for the right setups and take our trades according to the right setups. Before I started this meeting, a friend of mine said I should check out US30 for him, so I'll do that as well. Okay, wow, US30 looking juicy. I don't trade US30 much, but based on my trade setup and based on my strategy, I can see an entry opportunity now. This guy should be in by now. The person that told me to analyze, I guess you should be in by now. But let me show you, if I was meant to analyze this market, this is my my ceiling, my resistance, where sellers are meant to enter. That's why I marked it out with a red line. Okay, that's what I just marked out, this red box. That's where I expect sellers to come in. So me, I'm a scalper or a day trader, which means that I trade the market on a daily basis based on price fluctuations. I expect the market to do some movements. Okay, so we went into this point, and then there was a break of structure to the downside. So based on what I see, this is the last. Okay. If you're not in yet, no pressure. It has not really come back to the origin, I guess. Yeah, it has not come back to the origin. So if I'm to sell, this is why I expect US30 to sell from my friend. No, this is not meant to be that color. It's meant to be red because red means sell and green means buy. Okay, so this is where the structure changed from buys to sells. You can break of structure. That's where the structure changed. Okay. So if I'm to start taking trades on there, the last point of liquidity. Okay. So this is sell. This is meant to be a sell, okay, for the US30 trade. You can place your stop loss above this high, 2 ticks above this high, and then you can aim for your profits. There is a break of structure here that never returned to the origin. So we can expect this to come to this point. That's if the news turns out to be negative, because we have 8 minutes to the news, 7 minutes to the news. So if this news is negative for the dollar, you understand, US30 will sell massively, because US30 has to do with the 30 companies, top 30 companies in the United States of America. Okay, that's US30 for you. So if there is negative orders, okay, if there is negative orders, if people are not ordering things like, what do I use for example now? Okay, for example now, refrigerator is a durable good. Yes, we did home economics. Refrigerator is a durable goods. Refrigerator is something you can buy and to stay in your house for 3 years. That is the definition of a durable goods order. Okay. Something else, a durable goods order can be your phone. Some people can buy a phone and the phone can stay with them for 3 years. Durable goods. Think. What is a durable goods that you can order? Okay. Television. Television is a durable goods. Someone sent me a message. Television is a durable goods. Okay, my friend. You should place a sell stop. You should place a sell stop order. Yeah, you should place a sell stop order. Not a buy. No. You should place a sell limit. You should place a sell limit, because let me explain to you guys different types of orders. We have 5 different types of orders. We have 5 different types of orders, which is we have market order. We have market order, which means that the market is here. You want to buy. As soon as you place a trade on market order, that means that you want to buy from here. And if the market starts going up, you're in profit. You place a market order for sell and the market starts going down here, you're on profit. So, but you placed your market order at this point here. But if you place a buy here at market order and the market starts going down like this, you're on loss. That is market order. Then when it comes to buy limit order, what buy limit order means is that the market is going down. Okay, the market is going down, and you want, if the market comes to this price, it will buy. This is a buy limit order. Okay, so when the market starts going up, you're now in profit. This is buy limit order. So, but when I talk about buy stop order has to do with, the market is at this point and it is selling. You understand? The market is selling at this point, and you want, if the market starts going up, this is a buy stop order. Okay, when the market comes here, you start buying. So this is where your buy will start buying the market. So this is a buy stop order. Buy stop is up, buy limit is down. So for this example now, you want, what our plan is, we want the market to come up. After the market comes up, when it comes here, we start selling. So this type of order is what they call sell limit order. Sell limit order is this: when the market is currently buying. Let me use buying first. The market is currently buying. We want, if the market comes to this price, we'll enter the sell, and then when we start selling, we will be in the trade and will now be in profit. Okay, so this is sell limit order. But when it comes to sell stop order is this. Sell stop order is this. The market is here going down. The market is going down from this point. Market is going down from this point, and when it goes up and comes and cross here, we enter the trade. We're now on the sell. Okay, that's what it means. Okay, so that's what this is. So I'm expecting a sell limit order, not a sell stop order. But if you're skeptic that the market might not go to that point, you can place a sell stop order below the market. Yeah, sell stop order, which means in case the news comes out and it is not in favor of dollar and the market starts going down fast, you enter the trade. But if you are someone that is patient and conservative, you can place your sell limit order. So when the market comes here, you enter your sell and start making profits. It's much safer. It is much safer to enter from here. It's more safer to enter from here than entering from here, because if you have to enter here, you have to place your stop loss somewhere here too, and it is a lot of space to give. Okay, so that's what I think you need to do. About the 30 companies, I don't think I need to check the 30 companies. That one is going to be a lesson for another day, my friend. So I promised you guys that I'll show you guys some crypto pairs, and what I'm meant to be focused on now is some of the. But if you want to check out the 30 companies, you can come to investing.com. This is a website that gives news. You go to investing.com, then you go to markets. I think it should be under indices. Yeah, it should be under indices. Then under you look for indices here, not major indices. Then you look for US 30. Under this there's an indices, a collection of stocks, you understand, from different companies. So these major indices, then you check on the US 30 and get the news. But that's what this is what I think about US 30. I've just done the breakdown for you. Okay. Okay, so at any point, if you have a question, just drop it on the comment section, because we are here to learn, we are here to make money too. Gold is just selling, man, non-stop. You just selling, non-stop, non-stop. And it only gave one entry opportunity. This was here on Monday. It has not given any more entry or easy entry opportunities. But I've just been selling back to back to back. So the risky assets are weak. Every risky asset is weak, and dollar is still moving down comfortably. Comfortably, brother. So but currently, dollar is inside my support level. Dollar is currently inside my support level where I see buyers to come in. About gold, what I think gold, where my major target to start buying gold is at the 18,500 level. Based on seasonality, there is a particular season gold which starts moving up, and I think that should be either November period or so. Based on seasonality, you understand? There's because gold is quite different. It's quite different from every other currency pair. Gold is a precious metal you grab. So based on seasonality, around November, it should start increasing. Let's see if I can confirm that, because there was this season here, it started moving up August 2023. No, there was under last year. Let's check last year to see how and when we started moving up. There was a time there was a massive sell-off from gold last year. It's March. I'm getting it. This is November. So this is November. So it's based on seasonality. And that's when I bought, I think I bought gold there, point of initial buy. I bought gold when it was at 16,000. Physical gold though, about some grams of gold. But if you want to buy, I don't advise to buy a kilo. A kilo give you a very comfortable level. So this was where I bought. Based on seasonality, say September, October, at least September, November, around November or so. That's when the market, based on seasonality, that's when it starts making up. Okay, start moving up massively. From this point now, this is my point of interest. And I think I sold off. I removed that point where I sold off. Because I know when I sold off, possibly about March, April, May, June, July, around July or so. I sold off at July, June, July. Yes, I sold off at July. So the price were around this price, around that 19,600 price, because I saw that the trend has changed. So not trending down. So I sold off at July. Okay. Overall, to be honest with you, my friend, when it comes to US 30 and it's moving up, uh, I think overall investors are bullish on US 30 because it's an index. It's an index, but since there is always a bullish bias about it, doesn't mean that there cannot be some retracement, sales. Since there are some buys in it, massive buys in it, it doesn't mean that US 30, but we just finished talking about US 30 that I see it sellers coming in. Okay. If I'm using a language you don't understand, tell me. If I'm using a language that is too deep, you guys don't understand, tell me so I can break it down for you. Okay. So I think the news is out now. Let's see what the news says. Okay, two positive news for dollar and one negative news for dollar. So far we still expect dollar to continue selling since there are two positive news for it. Let's see other dollar currency. Okay, this is out of bound. Massive sales on GBP USD. Massive sale. Going to no man's land. Massive sale. I'm just going to leave this now. Yes, GBP USD. AED is looking promising. AUD is looking promising. AUD against dollar is looking promising. This was a trade setup from yesterday. AUD for sale. 20 pip stop loss, 60 pip take profit. The same trade setup I saw today for card, NZD card to sell. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, I'm here, guys. I'm here with you guys. So based on what I see on everything now, dollar is still strong. Dollar is still strong and selling very massively. So everybody is still buying dollar. Everybody is still buying dollar. Dollar is increasing in price. I'm not afraid the dollar goes to 1,100 naira very soon in my country. So dollar is still very strong. Very, very strong. So from what I can see, I expect buyers coming to this market at this point. I expect buyers to come into the market here. There is a support level here. So from here, I expect buyers to come in to start buying the market. So that's what I see. From here, I expect buyers to come in into the market. Okay, so but for now, everybody's just looking for an opportunity to sell the market. This was a trading. This is where I expect sellers to come in, and the market has gotten to that level where I expect sellers to come in. And this is a trade opportunity. Okay. Let me go to my smaller time frame. Okay, the market moved massively up. But since I expect dollar to be more weak, I think this USD card is quite in a position to start selling, more like a corrective structure. I think I'll be sending in USD card to you guys. I'll send in USD card because USD card got to a level where sellers are meant to be in the market. Over here, this is where sellers coming to the market. Exactly. This is the place where sellers coming to the market. So I'll be sending you guys this signal for a sell USD card sell. The 25 pips stop loss. Okay, 25 pips stop loss, and then about 100 pips take profit because this is where buyers are in the market. Buyers are somewhere around here. Let me look at the liquidity levels. The buyers is somewhere around there, but from what I can see currently, USD card can start selling from this level down. USD card. Okay, so I'll be sending the signal USD card for the sell. For every other thing like Euro USD, I've not seen a buy movement yet, but for USD card, I've seen something like a sell setup or a sell structure for USD card. So that's my signal. It has taken out buy side liquidity. It took out liquidity up here. There was a lot of stop loss here. So that's what I think. USD card is for a sell. It's currently at a sell level. So that's what I'll be sending to my guys. So thank you. Any question before we round up? Any question before we round up? Any question before we round up? Okay, I'll send it in the group. Just go to our group. Okay, I'll send a signal in the group. Join the group. Any question before we round up? I think since you're new here, are you on WhatsApp? Are you on WhatsApp? Contact me on WhatsApp. I sent my number. So you'll be added to the group. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. I'll be rounding up the meeting. You can sell USD card. This is a sell limit on US 30. We need to come back into this point before we can take any action. But for now, I see USD card having a sell. Okay. Have a wonderful day, everyone.